Hello everyone, I'm Oath Thai in the United States. It was in 2016. My husband was hiring Lowe's to make over, renovate the bathroom in our bedroom because the door was broken. It didn't close properly, and then he went to Lowe's and talked with staff and choosing what he liked to make his bathroom. I do not remember how much does it cost, but I remember well it was very expensive. And then after renovation, the bathroom looks nicer, very much nicer that we have been using until today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.